Lulla Caps. I was looking at something that could help me sleep, basically kind of turn my brain off, but that wasn't melatonin. So that's where I found this. Is a peptide. I think that's like kind of the newest thing. You can see it comes in a glass bottle. There's not a lot in this container I got. There's only 15 servings, so I guess that means there's 30 pills. I took 2. It did work. Basically, it makes you pretty tired. I took it about an hour before bed, and I had no issue sleeping that night. This has, as you can read in the instructions, it has brown rice peptides. It has Valerian Root, GABA, something acid, basically GABA, but people call it GABA, and theanine. Basically, what that does is kind of calms you down. So I didn't have any issues with it. I'll show you the kind of the capsules, the size of them. The size of the capsules is like normal. It's nothing crazy, not big or anything like that. I like to, it says take 2. I did take 2, but probably I'm gonna try to take 1. I usually like to take less, and see if that works, because then you get more out of it, because these aren't the least expensive things out there. But yeah, this is basically Lulla Caps. I liked them. I slept. I'll be honest, I slept the entire night, woke up the next morning, and didn't wake up at all throughout the night. So that's cool. And I did try something else, one of their other brands. I'm gonna try that as well. And it also worked. So yeah, I give it the thumbs up. I think it's worth trying. It's non-addictive. It's basically all just natural stuff. Not a doctor, but you can check it out.